Tips to make your baby sleep through the night. As a new parent, it can be challenging to get your baby to sleep through the night. Here are some tips to help. Dress your baby appropriately for the weather and use a warm blanket. Use good quality disposable diapers and look for any rash or redness. If your baby is breastfed, consider giving them top feed/formula milk at night to keep them full and satisfied. Babies will wake up in the night sometimes, especially during growth spurts or when they are unwell. Remember to take care of yourself first, and don't forget that this phase will pass. By following these tips, you can help your baby sleep through the night and ensure that both you and your baby are happy and healthy. Have a look on the playlist appearing now to get more tips and tricks. Use the magic link in the first comment to get the best products for your baby.